Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Now today I will discuss about graphical method in create structural trusses member. So now we will enter right new project and select space and apply the foot millimeter whatever need, then next, yes, okay, and here selection for add beam. So just right now add beam and go to finish. Now here come to page, right, and now side this is the snap, here the snap create, and this is the grid, right. So when I will just first of all I will define the grid. This is the calculation of mm because I have selection the mm. So this node 0.1345 and create the node. So this is defined the linear nodes. If you want radial, angular, so we will selection, we have selection, right, but this time choose linear form, and here the plane selection. This is 0 in y direction, 0 in x direction, so xy, and angle plane is there. Grid, how many grid you want, selection this, and just calculate. If you change this 3 and 2, so if you click this here 3 into 2 and go to OK, here go to OK, then now we will do this OK. So look at here, the selection is create the grid here, you also see the. So now just how many x direction, y direction is going to 4 6 8 10, between two digit value difference here, and here the 3-digit value is different here. Now I will make this selection, this front side, back side, and side. Here the different view presentation, this is the 3D. So now selection this first side and start the grid point. Start the value is here, just click this point and this point, and also we will join to this point. A is here, and now this is and redo, actually here the redo, and just again redo. Okay, so select new grid point. Here you can see this grid point. Select start from here, and now has been start from this and this point. Again select insert node, one 2 3, then again join to grid here and apply the grid also, and again create the point is here, this point and this point, and has been again look at this structural member, and we will select this all bodies look like this is here, and showing the 3D view, and front side, top side, this is the view presentation actually. So it means the truss here So it is very easy to work from graphical method, right? So here the graphical method, it's good for adjustment. And then showing the start editor. So here the start editor, go to start editor and click make the joint also. This is joint. Now start space and start job information. So this is here unit, MMS and kg. First of all selection here, then join coordinate 1 2 3 4 and 5 here, and member incident is like that. So this is showing this how many joint and how many member incident to here the graphical method. So when you decide is also again graphical has been here, and select. Okay, so here the view, and if you click any graphical point, so we will adjustment. If you click this point and also joint is here, and again click this graphical, look this type of design basically. And if you want this joint and again here this point, so again now look at this graphical method, and I will select this all point here, number of nodes and member is also create. So it is working of structural member and create the graphical member incident with joint incident. So today has been complete this session. So thank you.